Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's so nice to have you. So, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so right now by clicking on the subscribe button. And if you have not turned on the notification, click on the bell button below this video to turn on notifications so that you get updates whenever I post videos on YouTube and you don't get to miss out on my videos. Also, remember to tell your friends to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So, let's get started. Today's video, I'm going to show you a link to how to become English tutor. So it's a current job that is currently available and opening. So the company's name is Tutor ABC. You can click on this link. I'll be dropping the link in the description for you to get to apply. All right, so what are the teaching requirements? You have to be an English speaker at idiomatic level, bachelor's degree or above. You should have all these licenses, one or more, and QTS, PGC are highly preferred. You should have a recognized teaching experience, commitment of 6 peak hours per week, and a computer with Windows or Mac OS are acceptable. So let's click on the apply now. Then you have to sign up, email address, reference, referral code. That's optional. Okay. So um let's sign up and see what we have in there. Okay. Oh, characters. Okay. Okay, so let's get to know you. um you get to see, you have to upload your name, your gender, nationality, blah blah. Tell us about your experience. Do you We offer new clients bilingual course way to start. So talk about it. If you know how to speak Chinese, do you have any teaching certificates, referral codes, and how did you hear about us? So all right. They also have interview, 15 minutes interview, and agreement signing within 5 minutes. Okay, so it's quite simple and easy. That's it. For me, I'm not going to join, so I would not fill in all the details. But if you're interested, please do this and have all these details inputted. Okay, so it's that easy to become an online tutor, an English tutor. It's also a remote job. You can work from anywhere in the world. All right. Thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so by clicking on the subscribe button. And please click on the notification button to turn on the notification and like and share my videos. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Have a beautiful day ahead. Stay blessed. Bye.